1. 1931 Ford Model A sedan delivery. Price: $28,000. Located Kansas City, Missouri. This 1931 Ford Model A sedan delivery is a classic pre-war American vehicle that blends vintage charm with practical street usability, making it an appealing option for collectors and hot rod enthusiasts alike. Known as the real deal by its seller, this example retains its iconic early Ford styling while benefiting from thoughtful upgrades that improve reliability and drivability. Finished in a bold red exterior paired with a unique pink interior, the car stands out with a distinctive personality that reflects both classic heritage and custom flair. Under the hood, this Model A is powered by a 4.3-liter V6 engine, offering a more modern and dependable alternative to the original powertrain. It is paired with an automatic transmission, making it easier to drive compared to traditional manual vintage cars. The front end features a straight axle setup, while a 10-bolt rear differential supports durability and consistent performance on the road. The vehicle has received a fresh tune-up, and the radiator has recently been rebuilt, ensuring it runs and drives well in its current condition. Additional features include a functional heating and air conditioning system, although the air conditioning will require recharging to operate at full capacity. With an older restoration that still presents nicely, this Model A shows some minor imperfections but continues to represent itself well overall. With 123,456 miles showing, this classic Ford offers a great balance of originality, usability, and character for enthusiasts seeking a vintage driver. 2. 1933 Factory 5 Hot Rod Coupe. Price: $40,000. Located Dallas, Texas. This 1933 Factory 5 Hot Rod Coupe is a modern-built custom that captures the spirit of a classic pre-war American hot rod while delivering contemporary performance and comfort. Styled after the iconic 1933 Ford Coupe, this fiberglass-bodied machine sits on a strong steel frame and offers a clean, aggressive look finished in white. With only 4,000 miles since completion, this well-maintained build presents as a lightly used and highly enjoyable street-driven hot rod that turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, the car is powered by a reliable small-block Chevrolet 350 crate engine equipped with Holley electronic fuel injection, providing smooth throttle response and dependable performance. Power is delivered through a TCI 700 R4 automatic transmission, ensuring comfortable cruising and efficient shifting. The drivetrain is supported by a Moser 8.8 rear end and four-wheel disc brakes, enhancing both durability and stopping power. Additional features include power windows, shaved door handles with remote keyless entry, and air conditioning, although the system currently has a leak that requires attention. Riding on 17-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, this hot rod delivers both style and stance. While not a Concours-level show car, it remains a solid driver-quality vehicle with minor paint imperfections. Built for fun and performance, this Factory 5 Coupe offers a unique blend of classic design and modern engineering. 3. 1934 Chevrolet Pickup. Price: $15,000. Located Topeka, Kansas. This 1934 Chevrolet Pickup is a charming example of early American truck design, offering originality, history, and simplicity in a well-preserved package. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a black interior, this vintage pickup has been family-owned for over 50 years, adding a layer of authenticity and sentimental value that is rarely found in today's classic vehicle market. With just 300 miles reported, the truck presents as a lightly driven and carefully maintained piece of automotive history. Under the hood, this Chevrolet retains its original engine, preserving the mechanical character and driving experience of the era. Paired with a manual transmission, the truck delivers a traditional hands-on driving feel that enthusiasts of vintage vehicles truly appreciate. The overall condition is described as very good, making it a solid example for collectors seeking originality over heavy modification. Recent updates include new tires and a unique custom touch in the bed, where the gas tank has been cleverly integrated into a Coca-Cola cooler, adding both functionality and vintage flair. The clean title further enhances its appeal as a straightforward purchase. Whether used for weekend cruises, shows, or as a foundation for a light restoration project, this 1934 Chevrolet pickup offers classic styling and heritage in an affordable and desirable package. 4. 1929 Ford Model A Custom Coupe. Price: $34,000. Located Moore, Oklahoma. This 1929 Ford Model A Custom Coupe is a beautifully crafted hot rod that combines classic all-steel construction with modern performance upgrades and custom detailing. Owned by the same family since 1938, this vehicle carries a deep sense of history while benefiting from a complete custom build that enhances both drivability and comfort. Finished in a sleek gray exterior with a striking red interior, the car delivers a timeless yet aggressive street rod appearance. Built with a fully custom frame and suspension, this Model A offers improved handling and stability compared to its original configuration. Power comes from a Summit Racing 350 cubic inch crate V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance and smooth cruising capability. A Ford 9-inch rear end ensures strength and durability, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. Inside, the cabin has been professionally finished by Wickheiser's Rod & Customs, featuring high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Additional features include vintage air heating and cooling, aftermarket wiring, and Houston gauges for accurate monitoring. With only 1,300 miles since completion, this custom coupe remains in excellent condition. Built by skilled professionals, including paintwork by Clayton Ashley, this Model A is a standout street rod designed for both show and enjoyment. 5. 1934 Ford Model 40 Coupe. Price: $16,000. Located Wichita Falls, Texas. This 1934 Ford Model 40 Coupe represents a solid foundation for any enthusiast looking to build a traditional hot rod, rat rod, or custom street machine. Combining original vintage components with custom elements, this project-ready vehicle offers a rare opportunity to own a partially assembled pre-war Ford with many desirable features already in place. The car includes a fiberglass chopped coupe body mounted on an original 1934 Ford rolling chassis, giving it an aggressive stance and classic hot rod proportions. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by a running flathead V8 engine paired with a matching transmission, maintaining the authentic driving feel of the era. The drivetrain is supported by a stock banjo rear end and mechanical brakes, while a 12-volt alternator conversion has been completed for improved electrical reliability. Cooling is handled by a 4-core aluminum radiator, ensuring better temperature management compared to original systems. Additional highlights include suicide doors, a fiberglass dashboard, trunk components, and a complete fuel system that is included but requires installation. Chrome headers are also provided along with original parts. While not a finished car, it runs and rolls, making it an excellent starting point for a custom build. With a clean title obtainable, this Model 40 is a valuable project for anyone seeking vintage style with customization potential. 6. 1931 Ford Victoria Hot Rod. Price: $22,500. Located Shreveport, Louisiana. This 1931 Ford Victoria Hot Rod is a well-balanced blend of classic steel body construction and modern performance upgrades, making it an ideal entry-level street rod that is both functional and enjoyable to drive. Featuring an original all-steel body, this Victoria maintains its authentic early Ford appearance while incorporating key enhancements that improve comfort and reliability. It is described as turnkey ready, offering immediate usability with only minor finishing touches required. Power comes from a freshly installed Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering dependable performance and a noticeable increase in power over the original configuration. The engine is paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and easy drivability for both city cruising and highway use. The front suspension has been upgraded with coilovers and a Speedway front axle mounted on a custom frame, improving handling and ride quality. Cooling is managed by an aluminum radiator, while braking performance is enhanced with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. Inside, the car offers a simple yet functional interior designed for comfort during regular driving. Air conditioning is also equipped and reported to blow cold, adding to the overall driving experience. With a clean title in hand and solid mechanical condition, this 1931 Ford Victoria is a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a reliable and stylish hot rod. 7. 1937 Ford Pickup. Price: $40,000. Located Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, this 1937 Ford pickup represents a timeless example of pre-war American truck design, offering a blend of vintage appeal and potential for customization. Known for its distinctive rounded styling and strong presence, the 1937 Ford pickup remains a popular choice among collectors and hot rod builders alike. This particular example is described as being in good condition, making it a solid candidate for either immediate enjoyment or further enhancement. While detailed specifications are limited, the truck presents itself as a complete and usable vehicle, offering the essential characteristics that define classic Ford pickups of the era. Its design emphasizes durability and simplicity, with a body style that lends itself well to restoration, modification, or preservation. The overall condition suggests that it has been maintained to a level suitable for continued use. With its desirable year and strong enthusiast following, this pickup holds significant appeal for those looking to enter the classic truck market or expand an existing collection. Whether the goal is to create a custom hot rod, restore it to original specifications, or simply enjoy it as a vintage cruiser, this 1937 Ford pickup provides a versatile platform. Its availability in Oklahoma City adds convenience for buyers seeking a straightforward acquisition of a classic American vehicle. 8. 1929 Ford Model A Coupe. Price: $9,950. Located Tyler, Texas. This 1929 Ford Model A Coupe is a classic example of early American automotive history, offering simplicity, reliability, and timeless design that continues to attract enthusiasts around the world. Finished in a traditional brown exterior paired with a black interior, this Model A maintains its vintage charm while presenting itself as a solid and usable classic vehicle. With approximately 47,000 miles recorded, it reflects a well-preserved example that has been cared for over the years. Powered by its original style engine and paired with a manual transmission, this coupe delivers an authentic driving experience that takes you back to the early days of motoring. The vehicle is described as running great, making it a dependable choice for weekend drives, local shows, or casual cruising. Its straightforward mechanical design also makes it easier to maintain compared to more complex modern vehicles. The car comes with a clean title and is reported to have no significant damage or major issues, adding peace of mind for potential buyers. Its classic coupe body style remains one of the most desirable among Model A enthusiasts, offering both style and practicality. Whether you are a collector looking to expand your vintage lineup or someone seeking an entry-level classic car, this 1929 Ford Model A Coupe provides an excellent opportunity to own a piece of automotive heritage at an accessible price point. 9. 1933 Dodge DB Series Restomod. Price: $20,000. Located Columbia, Missouri. This 1933 Dodge DB Series Restomod is a unique pre-war American classic that has been upgraded with modern performance components while retaining its original all-steel body construction. Finished in a matching green exterior and interior, this vintage Dodge offers a distinctive look that stands apart from more common hot rods and custom builds. It presents as a project-ready vehicle with strong fundamentals, ideal for enthusiasts seeking a rare platform to refine and personalize. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering significantly more performance than its original configuration. The drivetrain is complemented by hydraulic disc brakes, improving stopping power and overall safety. Additional components sourced from a 1997 Dodge van, including the dashboard and driveshaft, contribute to the Restomod character of the vehicle. While the car has many desirable upgrades, it is not currently a turnkey driver and will require some mechanical attention. It has been sitting for approximately 1 year and is experiencing difficulty starting, though it last ran and drove about a year ago. Known issues include worn front-end bushings, tie rods, and a slow leak in the front driver's side tire. Despite these needs, the vehicle remains a solid foundation with plenty of potential for restoration or customization into a standout hot rod. 10. 1931 Ford Model A5 Window Coupe. Price: $65,000. Located Flippin, Arkansas. This 1931 Ford Model A5 Window Coupe is a professionally built all-steel street rod that combines timeless pre-war styling with modern engineering and high-quality craftsmanship. Built by an experienced hot rod shop, this vehicle underwent a complete restoration starting from a rust-free original body, resulting in a stunning and well-executed custom build. With only 74 miles driven since completion, it remains in exceptional condition and represents a nearly new build with significant investment, reportedly totaling $148,000. Power is provided by a 383 cubic inch GM Crate V8 engine rated at 323 horsepower, delivering strong and reliable performance. The engine is paired with a brand new turbo 350 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth operation and ease of driving. The chassis features a Pete and Jake's I-beam front suspension with a 4-bar setup on both front and rear, complemented by QA1 adjustable shocks for improved ride quality and handling. A Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.00 gears and true track posi enhances durability and traction. Additional highlights include front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, power brakes, rack and pinion steering, and a full set of odometer gauges. The interior is finished in black leather with modern comforts such as vintage air heating and cooling, sound insulation, and a backup camera. This Model A is a premium street rod ideal for shows and cruising. 11. 1927 Oldsmobile E30 Landau. Price: $18,000. Located Richardson, Texas. This 1927 Oldsmobile E30 Landau is a rare and beautifully preserved example of early American luxury motoring, offering originality and classic craftsmanship that dates back nearly a century. Finished in a traditional green exterior with a brown interior, this vintage Oldsmobile reflects the elegance and design philosophy of the late 1920s. With approximately 15,000 miles recorded and only 2 owners from new, it stands as a well-maintained survivor with significant historical appeal. The vehicle has undergone a complete frame-off restoration, returning it to original condition while ensuring structural integrity and mechanical reliability. Notably, the car is described as rust-free, which is a major advantage for a vehicle of this age. It runs and drives well, making it suitable not only for display but also for occasional driving enjoyment. Equipped with a manual transmission, this Oldsmobile delivers an authentic period-correct driving experience that appeals to collectors who appreciate originality. The sale includes additional parts and the original toolkit, adding value and authenticity to the package. Stored in a garage and carefully maintained, this Landau offers a unique opportunity to own a rare and elegant pre-war automobile that represents a significant piece of early automotive history.